Have you ever heard of or been involved in a car accident and then have had unauthorized touting people come to try to convince you to let them tow your car over to their workshops for repairs? And some may even offer you money to do so. So if you choose to allow these workshops to repair your car, how can you be ensured of the quality of the repairs? Hi, my name is Galvin from Vince Automotive Group. I'm sure many of you have heard of the term Authorized Workshop. An Authorized Workshop is actually a workshop that is appointed by an insurance company to help with the car repairs of the insurance company's clients. So by having your cars repaired at an Authorized Workshop, it actually guarantees you a certain level of quality as the workshop is constantly being vetted by the insurance company, and also it helps to eliminate fraud. Back in 2014, we were actually only appointed by one insurance company as their Authorized Workshop. So in order to be able to help more clients, we needed to improve and to get more insurers to appoint us as their Authorized Workshop. We went on a mission to improve on the following things. Number one, to improve on our internal controls and processes. Number two, to improve on the quality of our repairs. And most importantly, number three, is to continue to uphold our integrity as a reputable 30-year-old workshop. So by doing the above three steps, we were able to secure our second appointment by insurance company, and by repeating the same steps over and over again, we were able to secure our third, our fourth, our fifth, and up to today, we actually have 11 authorized workshops and reporting centers appointments. I bet you didn't know that we use our Kaizen concept to improve our workshops in such a manner. So, if you happen to be insured by the following list of insurance companies and you need any help with your claims, please feel free to come and look for us. We will always be here for you.